In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PowerPoint presentations with 6 slides per page. This method is particularly useful for handouts, saving paper, and making your presentations more accessible for note-taking or review. First things first, to start this process, you need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. It may sound straightforward, but make sure you are using a version of PowerPoint that supports this feature. Now, after launching PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. Here you'll find a list of your recent presentations or the option to open a specific file. Navigate through your files and pick the presentation you want to work with today. Once your presentation is open and ready, we're going to proceed by looking for the File tab. You'll find it at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to unveil a range of options related to your file. Our next step involves getting to the Print settings. So, within the File menu, scroll down and select Print. This action will redirect you to a new set of options focused on printing your presentation. It's here that you'll begin to see your presentation taking a new form for handouts or reviewing purposes. Now we arrive at a crucial part of the process. Look for a drop-down menu titled Full Page Slides. This drop-down is essentially where the magic happens. It will initially display the default print setting, which is typically set to print one slide on each page. But we're not here for the default setting, are we? Click on this drop-down menu and among the options you'll see two very interesting choices: 6 slides horizontal and 6 slides vertical. This choice depends on your preference for how you want your slides to be displayed on the page. Horizontal will place slides side by side, 3 in a row, making it wider. Vertical, on the other hand, sets the slides in a more book-like format, with slides following one another in a column format. Consider who will be using these handouts, and in what setting they will be used to make the best choice for your needs. Once you've made your selection between horizontal or vertical, we are almost at the finish line. The last action you need to take is to click on Print. However, it's crucial to mention that clicking Print doesn't necessarily mean you have to print the document right then and there. In this context, printing also gives you the option to save this 6 slides per page configuration as a PDF or another file format if your printer supports it. This way you can save a digital copy of your handouts, ensuring they are ready for printing anytime you need them or for sharing them electronically. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to saving your PowerPoint presentations with 6 slides per page. This method is not just about saving paper or making your documents easier to carry around, it's also about effectiveness. Presentations saved in this format can be easier to read and annotate, making them perfect companions for meetings, classroom settings, or anywhere comprehensive review materials are needed. As we wrap up, I'd like to share a tip that could enhance your presentations further. Before saving or printing your slides in this 6 per page format, consider reviewing your slides for readability. Since each slide will be smaller, ensure that text sizes are adequate and visuals are clear to make sure they are still effective when printed smaller. Also, this may be a good time to remove any unnecessary elements or clutter from your slides to keep them clean and focused. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting, a classroom lecture, or just trying to be more eco-conscious, saving your PowerPoint slides with 6 slides per page is a savvy move. Remember, the key to a good presentation, whether in digital or printed form, is not just the information you include, but also how accessible and readable that information is for your audience. Happy presenting and see you in our next tutorial.